Good afternoon, everyone. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to cook danwake. All you need to do is you have to provide flour, cooker. I don't know the meaning of cooker in English, and kanwa, that's potash, salt, potash. Those are the three things that you need when you want to cook danwake. So first of all, you need to pour the cooker a little bit on top of the flour. It shouldn't be much because you are not going to enjoy it. Then put a little bit soaked potash, also known as kanwa or akanwa in English and Igbo. Then shake it so that those ones that are under will dilute with the water that came up. Then put like a half liter of water inside. Then mix it in this manner. Continue mixing it like this, the way I'm doing. Mix it, but don't put too much water inside. Mix it like this, the way I'm doing, like this. Make sure you mix it very well. Turn it like this. After you have done it this way, you are ready to put it for fire. Make sure there is water. Boil after you have a boiled water inside gas with the mixed danwake. Then you will be fetching it, put it like this, in this manner. Although we have two ways of putting it. There is a rubber, a machine that we used to do that make it easier. I will show you that one later. Make sure as you are doing it, 1, 2, 3, put your hand inside water so that it won't be gumming your hand. Like this, be soaking it inside the boiled water. Thirdly, this is what we call yadda in Hausa. If you want, you can use a blinder to blind it, mix it together. This, as you can see, this is dried pepper with Maggi. Then sometimes, if you wish, you can use a fish head, join them, mix them together. Then if you are a type of person who like garlic, you can use garlic to mix them together. So secondly, put the dried pepper inside your mortar. Then put at least 2 cubes of Maggi star, depend on the quantity of what you want to grind. So after putting it, then you open your Maggi, put it inside, then grind it like this, in this manner. Be grinding it. Then you fry red oil, that's palm oil, but you can use all this turkey oil, that's groundnut oil. Then mix it with onions, slide onion inside, and fry it in this manner, as you can see. After that, you package the danwake, that's pack it, put it inside a fresh water, as I'm doing it like this. Now, you see? That's after you boil the danwake for about 30 minutes. This is the next thing to do. Bring it down, pack it, be packing it, and put it inside a fresh cold water, not warm water again, so that it will be very flexible for you to eat. As you can see, it's well packaged, ready for eating. Pack the oil, pour it on the danwake like this. You can see this is the dried pepper, the one that I pounded in the mortar, and this is the danwake. So what you do, if you like, you put it aside like this, or you can pour it, ready for eating. Wow, so delicious. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please like, share, comment, add your comment, observation, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.